Welcome to our channel. Are you looking for ways to transform your home into a space that's both beautiful and elegant? In this video, we'll share stunning home decor ideas and interior design tips that will inspire you to create the home of your dreams. Whether you're starting fresh or updating your current decor, we've got you covered. Let's get started. The power of minimalism. First, embrace the power of minimalism. A clutter-free space exudes elegance and sophistication. Focus on clean lines, neutral tones, and functional furniture. Choose pieces that are not just stylish but also serve a purpose. Remember, less is more when it comes to timeless beauty in home decor. Play with textures and fabrics. Introduce a variety of textures to add depth and visual interest. Think plush rugs, velvet cushions, and linen curtains. Layering these elements creates a cozy yet polished look. Mixing soft and tactile fabrics with sleek materials like glass and metal will elevate your space effortlessly. Statement furniture and decor pieces. Make a statement with bold furniture or decor items. A standout chandelier, an intricately designed coffee table, or an eye-catching art piece can become the focal point of your room. These pieces reflect your style and add a sense of grandeur to the overall design. Color schemes that breathe elegance. Choose a color palette that complements your space. Soft, neutral tones like whites, beiges, and grays are timeless, but don't be afraid to add a pop of color with jewel tones or pastel accents. These colors can add a sense of sophistication and personality to your home. Lighting that sets the mood. Lighting plays a key role in creating an elegant ambience. Use a mix of natural light and strategically placed lamps or pendant lights. Dimmer switches can help you control the mood, transitioning from bright and airy during the day to warm and cozy at night. The role of greenery and natural elements. Bring nature indoors with plants, flowers, or even dried branches. Greenery not only adds life to your space, but also creates a calming and refreshing atmosphere. Consider beautiful planters or vases to enhance the visual appeal. Personal touches and unique decor. Finally, personalize your home with unique decor pieces that tell your story. Display family photos in elegant frames, showcase souvenirs from your travels, or incorporate handmade items. These details make your home truly one of a kind. Beautiful and elegant home decor doesn't have to be complicated. By carefully selecting pieces, experimenting with textures, and creating a harmonious color palette, you can design a space that feels luxurious and inviting. Don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring ideas, and let us know in the comments which tip you'll try first. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.